Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the best 3D printers under $700. These unique printers are especially for users looking for a quality product on a budget. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and are ideal for any project. And with that in mind, we have put together a list of the best 3D printers under $700. We all know that a 3D printer is a must-have item in today's world, and this list should help you find the right one for your needs. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers under $700. The output of each 3D printer will vary from one to the next, but in general, you can expect quality results from each of them. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Fias Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer. The Fias Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's upgraded 3D printer is an absolute game changer in 3D printing. This extraordinary machine brings your creations to life with its cutting-edge features, all at an unbeatable price of under $700. Prepare for a mind-blowing printing experience that will take your imagination to new heights. With its 4 extruder modules and 4-in-1-out hot end, this printer offers an astonishing array of possibilities. The one-button switching mode effortlessly transforms monochrome prints into vibrant multicolor masterpieces, making your creations stand out. Assembling this printer is an absolute breeze. Thanks to its modular design, it's 70% pre-assembled, and swapping wires in and out of the extruders is a piece of cake. No more tedious setup processes or complicated tinkering. Just pure, unadulterated printing pleasure. The Fias Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's boasts a new user interface and fast automatic leveling. With its crystal-clear 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen, operating this marvel is a breeze. And with a spacious printing size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, you can bring your visions to life on a grand scale. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Frozen Sonic Mighty 8K 3D printer. When finding the best 3D printer under $700, look no further than the Frozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D printer. Enable your creativity with this incredible machine that delivers big prints in stunning 8K resolution. Say goodbye to sacrificing details because, with a mind-blowing 28mm resolution, your creations will come to life with crispness and sharpness that will leave you in awe. But that's not all. This printer is designed with mighty specs and an enhanced LCD lifetime to boost your productivity and efficiency. Its 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5 cm dual linear rails ensure durability and a longer lifespan, so you can keep printing without any worries. Besides its powerful capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K has a compact footprint, allowing you to place it anywhere in your printing space without taking up too much room. To top it all off, the Frozen Go app lets you control your printer remotely, giving you the ultimate convenience. With the Frozen Sonic Mighty 8K, you'll experience fun, excitement, and professional-grade printing. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Ideaformer 3D IR3V1 3D printer. The Ideaformer 3D IR3V1 Direct Extruder FDM Conveyor Belt 3D printer is among the most exciting and innovative 3D printers for under $700. With its remarkable features and cutting-edge technology, this printer is a game-changer in 3D printing. One of the standout features is its infinite Z-axis, which allows you to print models of any length. Whether you want to batch print multiple models or create extra-long designs, this printer empowers your imagination to run wild. The Direct Extruder hot end is a marvel, boasting an all-metal design with a hardened steel BMG gear. This versatile extruder can be used independently or as a print head, making it lighter than most extruders while maintaining exceptional performance. The linear guide rail system replaces traditional pulleys with stainless steel guides, ensuring enhanced accuracy and durability. Equipped with a stainless steel filament outlet guide, this printer supports many filaments, including TPU, PLA, PETG, ABS, and more. You can achieve impressive prints with ease and flexibility. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is the official Creality K1 3D printer. In today's world of 3D printing, where innovation meets imagination, the Creality K1 3D printer emerges as the superhero of speed, stability, and quality. This cutting-edge machine brings excitement, boasting features that make it the best 3D printer under $700. With its lightning-fast printing capabilities, the Creality K1 leaves its competitors in the dust, delivering mind-blowing speeds that are 12 times faster than your average FDM printer. It's like having a cheetah in the world of 3D printing. But it's not just about speed. The K1 takes performance to a new level. Equipped with a state-of-the-art ceramic heater, this beauty heats up to a scorching 200 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, ensuring your filament melts instantaneously. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to seamless printing. Running on the powerful Creality OS, this intelligent printer is not just a one-trick pony. It's compatible with optional add-ons like Al LiDAR and Al Camera, allowing you to expand your creative horizons further. The possibilities are endless. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Creality Ender 5S1 3D printer. If you are searching for the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank, then the Creality Ender 5S1 is an optimistic choice. Packed with cutting-edge features and boasting an unbelievably affordable price tag of under $700, this printer is a game-changer in 3D printing. Prepare to be amazed by its highly stable cube frame, resembling a futuristic work of art. Reinforced with thick linear shafts, gussets, cantilevers, and silicone bed mounts, this printer guarantees precision and durability. It's a solid foundation for your creative endeavors. Speed demons will rejoice with the Ender 5S1's lightning-fast printing capabilities. With a customized high-torque motor and steel transmission shaft, it achieves mind-boggling speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second. Gone are the days of waiting for your designs to come to life. This printer races to bring your imagination into reality. The Sprite Direct Extruder is a marvel in itself. Its bimetal heartbreak and efficient heat dissipation ensure hours upon hours of hassle-free extrusion. The possibilities are endless and compatible with various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $700. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.